minute they have to ask you what is your favorite subject in school? What is your first pet name? Eh? What is your favorite? No. Turn back here. Put one foot on the bed and one foot at ground. When me stab out your miggle. I'm living in your miggle for 9 months. Yo. What is up, guys? Americans, give me another reaction. Move on there. Move up. And today, guys, we're here with Acekey LV Freestyle. Big up yourself, Acekey McG. Yo, big up yourself. Yo, we have to end off the young artists, you know, because you don't know them are the future. And then, what? Some of the young artists, them actually better than the established artists, them in the dark night. No joke, you know. So, Acekey, big up yourself, my fam. We're going to jump in there one and hear what the G have to say. So, make a jump in there one and now, like, run, please. Let's go. GK Media. Obviously, it's a jail song, a jail beat. So, make you remember for said then.
Come oh so long. If I step into my school, this goal in my brand new Louis Vuitton. I'm like stop. Just pause. The bad B want take off the funds. The shot E come all so sweet, so you know AK can't chop.
Rum, please. See the rum there? Rum, please.
So long. If I step into my school. Come oh so long. If I step into my school, this goal in my brand new Louis Vuitton. I'm like stop. Just pause. The bad B want take off the funds. The shot E come all so sweet, so you know AK can't chop this one. How many times my play been swung? I double tap and step. The bad one there, the breast, you know.
Double tap and step. The bad one there, the breast. Yo.
How many times my play been swung? I double tap B want take off the funds. The shot E come all so sweet, so you know AK can't chop this one. How many times my play been swung? I double tap and step. The bad one there, the breast, you know that she game on the wickedest lip. But if you violate, then you're stressed.
What she get, my boss? What she get? The wickedest lip? The hook, na my hook, man. That's what she get? That is it now, man. That is it.
You know AK can't chop this one. How many times my play been swung? I double tap and step. The bad one there, the breast, you know that she game on the wickedest lip. But if you violate, then you're stressed. Come to I push, I ram to man's flesh like shit. Drop quick for season. But if you violate, then you're stressed. Come to I push, I ram to man's flesh like shit. Drop quick for season. The rusty one that's stuck in my vest. The longest boss, you know we get pressed. I'm in the ends trying to push these packs. If the clip just jamby, no man's got invest in a brand new back.
I'm in the ends trying to push this pack. If the clip just jam, you know me, I gotta invest in our brand new. Basically, man, I tell them, say, yo, listen, my outside, I make the money to protect myself and my friend them. So if we have a strap that when I work, we are gonna make sure so we spend with money and buy something we at work, so we don't let ourselves careless. Kind of boy can run up and run, please, gun, please.
Yeah, let the ends trying to push these packs. If the clip just jamby, no man's got invest in a brand new back. Trying to get this cash. You can't violate, we no react. That's like diving straight in water and they expect you're gonna get splashed.
Come on, man, come on, that's impossible. You can't violate, you know which part we there. You know which part we stand up. If you violate, we are gonna knock you. And don't think it's in better. Listen to the man said. The man said, listen. If you think you can violate me and get away with that, it's like basically a diver diving in the water and don't expect to get splashed. That is impossible. You can't violate me. It is impossible. We have to retaliate and knock. Run, please. Gun, please.
The one that's stuck in my vest. The longest boss, you know we get pressed. I'm in the ends trying to push these packs. If the clip just jamby, no man's got invest in a brand new back. I stay low trying to get this cash. You can't violate, we no react. That's like diving straight in water and it expect you gonna get splashed. I was back to the ends with the knickknacks with the kid cash trying to see some fun. Now I'm in the bando like Django, whipping up smoke that will touch my songs. I say fuck a Snapchat convo, girl, come to the crib, all I want is not this.
Him say what? Fuck what?
To the ends with the knickknacks with the kid cash trying to see some fun. Now I'm in the bando like Django, whipping up smoke that will touch my songs. I say fuck a Snapchat convo, girl, come to the crib, all I want is not this thing chat way too much, man. Never even ask for the pum pum's ton, girl. Why?
Some of them get a chat too much, just show. You found at my crib. Minute they have to ask you what is your favorite subject in school. What is your first pet name? Eh? What is your favorite? No. Turn back here. Put one foot on the bed and one foot at ground. When me stop out your miggle. I'm living in your miggle for 9 months.
Right.
That is it, man. Some man don't chat too much, man. We don't want to hear that. We don't understand the assignment. We don't forward, make a deal with it. That is where it's at. You know, long bag of talking with you. I'm not paying to talk this. No, I refuse. I disagree.
To the crib, all I want is not this thing chat way too much, man. Never even ask for the pum pum's ton, girl. Wind up a waist and jiggle that butt.
That is it.
Young boy up in Chelsea, no love to space, got a bit cheap. If it gives my lip head, then I might just box out 2 of his teeth. 2 in a bit of each, I'm tryna celebrate out by next week. I need to take a break from the tea, living off Red Bull, Lucozades and sleeves. My girlfriend tried to text me, so you better can't get this deep. I'm at uni, bopping the white tee, tryna get all this weight off me. Oh no number calling me, you piss, bopped in the chase is deep. I might can't tell about red grape and guidance is B-cut jeans.
Yeah.
Big fat man, tip on me like my nut, and I chat from a beat off shot.
Bumbleclaw. Hold on, the man. Hold on. Me do it. Me G. You change up your flow, me G. You change up your flow while I go quick and fast. That is it. Run, please. Let's go again.
Big fat man, tip on me like my nut, and I chat from a beat off shot. Girl, you pum pum fat bad man, and you all you know you like that.
Bad man in Sheol. Gunman in Sheol. Gunman in Sheol. She like that. The man say big fat man tip on me like me not take no shot. If I violate my youth, we'll beat off that in a minute.
Big fat man, tip on me like my nut, and I chat from a beat off shot. Hey girl, you pum pum fat bad man, and you all you know you like that. Bring come man, take it right back, come. Every door right on the bike back. Hey girl, you have to take back shot. Why not waste some rock off your back? Skinny door right on the head top, just like a clock, you want to take contact.
Hey girl, let me take back shot. Why don't you something on it? Hey! Huh? In our miggling, man. In our miggling, turn back with man.
Come man, take it right back, come. Every door right on the bike back. Hey girl, you have to take back shot. Why not waste some rock off your back?
That is it.
Door right on the head top, just like a clock, you want to take contact. Watch your mom in the take back shot.
No.
But I me have the key for the trap.
Yeah.
So I can't waste the time on that. Take the phone call, now I cash reaction.
Man, I say yo, once you forward and she get the knocker. And him do him thing and him satisfied. Remember say him have the key for the trap. Money over ladies, big up on yourself. The man say him have the key for the trap. So him not gonna sit down and waste no pillar talk and have them talk with it. No, this is not that. This is not about that life. Hear what it is about. Money. So because I may have the key for the trap, I have to go back to the bando. I have to go back on the street and make my money. Big up the good ladies them. But you have some girls might out there same way. So big up the good ladies them. It's not about that life. Big up on yourself. But big up the ladies them understand the assignments. Run please. Let's go.
The dot come also long. If I step drip on my school, this goal in my brand new Louis Vuitton. I'm like stop, just pause. The bad B want take off the funds. The shot E come all so sweet, so you know AK can't chop this one. How many times my play been swung? I double tap and step. The bad one there, the breast, you know she game on the wickedest slip. But if you violate, then you're stressed. Come to I push, I ram to man's flesh like shit. Drop quick for his neck. The rusty one that's stuck in my vest. The longest toss, you know we get pressed.
Just see the talk some? No, man. No.
No, the firm. That, yeah, man. I forgot the rifle, man. You know, I forgot the rifle, man. I forgot it up, man. Nobody hold it down, man. Hold it up, man. See him Instagram there. Go over him Instagram and follow him Instagram for me, please. Acekey _official. So big up yourself, Acekey. I could jump at the intermission and say what me have to say. I know, but the track, yo, song bad, rhythm bad. Obviously, it's a drill beat. My thing is though, my bro. This is what I like you to do. You know, if you do it, this is what I like you to do. In the UK, it's not a lot of artists that is spitting on drill beats in a patois. Patois is Jamaican for those who don't know what is patois. So, I would like you to curve and own the lane there for yourself, my brother. Like, own the lane there, like, spit on the drill beats, but do it in a patois, brother. People still can understand patois, but it just sounds different from everything. So it's not dancehall, and it's not fully drill. It's a combination of the two. So that's your lane, bro. Like, you have the patois lock. Why not just own it and do it? You're comfortable in that. Of course, you're bad pan the drill rapping that style there as well. You're bad pan that, brother. But you can own your own lane because there's 1,000,001 other person or other rappers or upcoming rappers doing the drill. Yes. But there's not a lot doing what I'm telling you to do. It's not a lot doing that, bro. You can own that, manage that, and deal with that, and craft that. Obviously, you have a few dancehall artists in the UK, like man like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, we're established already. But in no go up on drill beats like that, you see me? There was one other guy I done a reaction to him, Sam. I can't remember his name. But bro, like that is your lane, the dog. Like what you do, like. You don't need me to tell you that say you're lane that, bro. You need that. Like, that is you. Like, own the lane there. Create that one lane there. And that can start a whole new wave in the biz. You see me? But, you don't have to take my advice still. But that is just my advice to you. Because me tell you, say, yo, you can rough up that with the actual drill beat. You can rough up the Jamaican accent on it, bro. So, where you wait pan, like, do it, dog. What the fuck? But anyway, this time I'm gonna leave that one here. If you enjoyed that one and want to see more, please leave a like on the video. And please go over Acekey Instagram. So Acekey_official and follow him on Instagram. I don't know. Big up 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Media as well. _𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 Media _ Big up on yourself. So this time I'm gonna leave that one like I said. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright? Wrong please.